Good morning, everyone. This is Sherry Berry. I just wanted to share this nice little moment. I am in my bedroom listening to this beautiful rain. I am also joined by Gus, Akai, and AJ. It is raining. I had to put an extra heater because it is very cold here. I was just a little bit in my thoughts listening to this rain, having my coffee, and just thanking my Lord Jesus for having us wake up for another day. Another day in life is a blessing, regardless of what we're going through. It is a beautiful blessing always when it's above ground. When we are above ground, it's a beautiful blessing. I wonder if you guys could hear it. I hope you guys can. That's one of the things me and my papa have in common. We love to hear the rain. I was gonna get my Christmas cards out and just start writing the Christmas cards so that way I can send them out soon. And when I was gonna get everything, I was like, you know what, let me share this beautiful moment with all of you. Look at these babies. Aren't they like just so lucky? Like they're just so lucky. Like I said, I've been trying to get my room together and get like a little vanity going. I'm not sure if I want to build my vanity or go to little furniture stores here and there and make buy one. I see a lot of nice DIYs on the vanities. I just don't know if I'm that talented. Not doubting myself. So, but I really do hope you guys are having a very beautiful, safe, blessed Wednesday wherever you guys are. I'm going to go ahead and get everything going, get everything ready on this day. And so you guys have a very good Wednesday, okay? Those of you that are already subscribed to me, I appreciate that a lot. Hope you guys give me a thumbs up, like, some comments below. Those of you that haven't subscribed, go ahead and maybe consider subscribing, checking me out and subscribing. All right, everyone. Till next time.